Hey everybody, what's up? Fred McKinnon here with eBusiness Online. I want to come back and talk to you really quickly about something that we all hate, and that's tax time. As an e-commerce merchant, if you're an Amazon seller, a Walmart seller, some of these marketplaces, at the end of the year, they're going to report to the IRS how much money you made. They don't know how much money you, quote, made, but they're going to report about your sales, your gross sales, the sales tax collected, things like that. So, and it's important that this match up with your books because, like I said, they're reporting this to the IRS. So if they tell the IRS, hey, seller ABC from Georgia sold $2.6 million worth of product sales, gross sales on Amazon, and all of a sudden you file your corporate return and you're only reporting $1.9 million in sales, that could trigger an audit, could trigger some problems that you don't want, right? So as much as stinks, as much as we hate tax time, as much as we hate tax season, if you own an S corporation or an LLC or sometime right now, you know, it's February of 2024. You're probably gathering up your documents, trying to get your books cleared out, get everything over to your accountant, to your CPA. So if you're wondering about that, you should probably have gotten an email somewhere early January, mid-January from Amazon. And it would say kind of available now tax documents, but you know, they go to spam, we forget them, we delete them, we forget about them. So if you haven't done it yet, if you haven't gotten your tax documents and prepared those for your accountant, here's where you go. You just want to go into Amazon and then you want to go to the reports tab. So you log into Seller Central, go to reports. And once you go into the reports, it's going to look something like this here. Now, I'm actually logged in as a sub-user. So all of my docs are hidden. If I were logged in as the primary account holder, I would be able to access and download these. And you can see, well, without me scrolling down any further, you can see all the way down to 2012. I don't even see, there's 2020, here's 2023. So I would download that. And it talks about all your gross sales, refunds, sales tax collected, things like that, commissions, fees. It's called a 1099K form. I'm not a tax guy. I understand a lot about it, but certainly not a lawyer or a tax guy. But I am telling you, from one e-commerce merchant to another, if you're into e-commerce and you're doing this, that's something you want to do. Now, I think you have to cross a certain revenue threshold. For example, Walmart, for example, they're not going to send you one unless you surpass X number of transactions or like $20,000 a year. So if you're under like $20,000 a year, you may not get one of these. I'm not saying you don't have to report it. That's up to you. But the 1099Ks may not be sent to you until you surpass a certain threshold. But anyway, yeah, that's where you go. Just when you log into Seller Central, go to the reports menu, go down and look for tax document library. It looks like that right there, tax document library. And you can find everything that you need. Happy taxes. I wish I could say something that made us all feel better since we're talking about taxes. But hey, I hope this helps you even on the accounting finance side of running your e-commerce business. I always like to end my video by thanking you for watching, asking you to be a subscriber if you're not already a subscriber. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Let me know you watched this. Let me know you got some value out of it. Give us a thumbs up. Engage. It tells YouTube and the rest of the world that this is content worthy of them sharing. Tweaks the algorithm a little bit. So, hey, thanks again. Happy tax filing. Happy selling. Hope that you crush it this year.